How to use exciting new WhatsApp features. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into some brand new WhatsApp features that you probably didn't know about but are going to love. From undoing deleted messages to setting up meeting links just like Google Meet, these features are real game changers. Let's dive in. First up is the undo feature for deleted messages. Here's how you can use it step by step. Open any WhatsApp chat and long press the message you want to delete. Tap the trash icon at the top of your screen, just like you would for any normal deletion. If you accidentally delete the message, no worries. As soon as you delete it, you'll see a small pop-up at the bottom that says Undo. Visual. Host tapping the Undo button, and the deleted message reappears. Simply tap on Undo, and your message will be restored. It's as simple as that. A lifesaver for those accidental deletes. Next up is the date search feature. Ever needed to find an old message from a specific day but couldn't remember when it was sent? Here's how you can make that process a breeze. Open the chat where you want to search for the message. Tap on the contact name at the top to go into the chat details. Scroll down until you find the search and chat option. Once you're in the search bar, you'll see a small calendar icon in the top right corner. Tap that icon. Select the date you want to search for, and WhatsApp will take you directly to the messages sent on that specific day. No more endless scrolling. And now one of my favorite new features, creating meeting links just like Zoom or Google Meet, but right within WhatsApp. This makes virtual meetings super easy to set up. Here's how to do it. Open WhatsApp and go to the Calls tab at the bottom of your screen. Tap on Create Call Link. You'll see a link generated for your meeting. Copy this link and send it to anyone who needs to join the meeting. Once they tap the link, they can join the call via WhatsApp. No admin required. So there you have it. 3 awesome new WhatsApp features that are going to make your messaging and meeting experience so much easier. Whether you're recovering old messages, finding chats by date, or setting up meetings, these features really make WhatsApp more powerful than ever before. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to your channel name for more tech tips. Drop a comment below with your favorite new WhatsApp feature, and I'll see you in the next one.